Welcome to Reward Laundry, Singapore's trusted laundry specialist for over 15 years. Since day one, we've proudly served more than 50,000 households, delivering reliable, high-quality service that's made us a household name. At Reward Laundry, we're more than just laundry. We harness technology to streamline our processes, increase accuracy, and most importantly, bring cost savings directly to you. Our systematic workflow ensures every piece is tracked, cared for, and delivered with precision. This means on-time delivery, fewer errors, and a smoother experience every time. To protect your garments, we use low-temperature steam pressing, a delicate yet effective method that smooths out wrinkles without damaging the fabric. It's designed especially for modern textiles, keeping your clothes in top condition, wear after wear. Every piece of garments are steamed by machine and perform final touch-up by human. One of our greatest strengths lies in targeted stain removal. From wine to ink to oil, our specialists know how to treat stains effectively, giving your clothes a second chance. We ensure the best protection for your garments by maintaining its original fiber texture. We use the most delicate method to remove stains, as well as restoring the natural color of your clothes. Each order is carefully packed, item by item, to maintain cleanliness and organization. We then deliver your laundry right back to your doorstep, safe, sealed, and on time, giving you ultimate peace of mind and convenience. Our services covers the entire Singapore, serving thousands of households. Need help? Call our friendly customer service today to get the best solutions for your needs.